hard water stains. So I've tried Tiger's Paw, tried Shower Witch, tried good old Ajax and Jif, and nothing seems to work. So I wasn't really keen on spending more money on another product, but stumbled across Barkeeper's Friend, and it's sold in New Zealand by the brother of a friend of mine. And since I trust this friend of mine, I thought I'll give it a go. Oops. It's hard to do it in video at the same time. A little bit wet cloth. Oh my freaking, oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh, Barkeeper's Friend, you little beauty. Oh yeah, look at that. Absolutely magnificent. Barkeeper's Friend is awesome.